every morning, picking fresh tomatoes for your breakfast, salads, sauces, and family meals. No supermarket trip. No worrying about prices. Just fresh tomatoes growing right outside your home. Today we're building a simple container tomato garden that almost anyone can create. Let's start with the foundation. The first thing you need is a container. You don't need an expensive gardening pot. Many successful gardeners grow tomatoes in plastic buckets, grow bags, recycled containers, large planting pots. For this experiment, we are using a container that costs around $5 or less. The most important thing is size. Tomatoes have strong roots, and strong roots create strong plants. Choose a container that holds at least 15 to 20 liters of soil. The deeper the container, the better. But remember this important step. Drainage. Tomatoes hate sitting in water. Make several holes at the bottom of your container so excess water can escape. A container without drainage is like putting your tomato plant in a swimming pool. The roots struggle. The leaves turn yellow. And eventually, the plant stops growing. A few small holes can make the difference between a weak plant and a tomato-producing machine. Now let's talk about the secret behind healthy tomato plants. The soil. Many beginners simply grab random soil and wonder why their plants stay small. Tomatoes are hungry plants. They need soil that is rich in nutrients, loose and airy, able to hold moisture, able to drain excess water. A simple budget factor is 40% garden soil. This gives the plant minerals and structure. 30% compost. This provides natural nutrients that feed your tomato plant. 20% coconut coir or organic material. This keeps the soil light and helps roots spread. 10% sand or another drainage material. This prevents the soil from becoming compacted. Mix everything together before planting. Think of your soil as the kitchen where your tomato plant prepares its food. A poor kitchen creates poor results. A healthy kitchen creates abundance. Not every tomato variety is perfect for containers. Some tomatoes grow like giant trees and need huge spaces. For containers, choose varieties known for producing well in smaller areas. Great choices include cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, determinate tomato varieties, compact container varieties. Cherry tomatoes are especially exciting because they can produce hundreds of small sweet fruits. Imagine a small plant covered with dozens of red jewels. That's the magic of container gardening. When choosing seeds or seedlings, look for healthy plants with strong green leaves, thick stems, no yellowing, no signs of disease. A healthy beginning creates a stronger harvest later. Now it's time to plant. Here's a trick many beginners don't know. Tomatoes can grow roots along their stems. That means when planting your seedling, you can bury part of the stem. Remove the lower leaves and plant deeper than many other vegetables. This encourages more roots to develop. More roots, more water absorption, more nutrients, more tomatoes. After planting, water deeply. Don't just sprinkle the surface. You want moisture reaching the entire root system. Then place your container where your tomato receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Tomatoes are solar-powered factories. The more sunlight they receive, the more energy they have to create fruit. Now let's talk about the difference between an average tomato plant and an amazing tomato plant. Support. Tomato plants become heavy when they produce fruit. Without support, branches can break. Use wooden sticks, tomato cages, simple garden supports. This keeps your plant healthy and allows sunlight to reach more leaves. Next is pruning. But don't overdo it. Remove yellow leaves, damaged leaves, small shoots stealing energy from the main plant. Your goal is not to remove everything. Your goal is to help the plant focus its energy. Now feeding. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. During growth, they love nutrients that support leaves and stems. When flowers appear, they need nutrients that encourage fruit development. You can use compost tea, organic fertilizer, well-rotted manure. Feed consistently, but don't overload. A plant can suffer from too much fertilizer just like humans can suffer from too much food. Balance creates the best results. One of the biggest reasons tomato plants fail is improper watering. The soil should stay consistently moist. Not flooded. Not completely dry. During hot weather, container tomatoes may need more frequent watering because containers dry faster than garden soil. A simple trick. Check the soil with your finger. If the top few centimeters feel dry, it may be time to water. Water slowly around the base of the plant. Avoid constantly wetting the leaves because this can encourage problems. Healthy roots create healthy plants. Before you start your container tomato journey, avoid these common mistakes. Mistake number 1, a tiny container. Small containers limit roots. Small roots mean small harvests. Mistake number 2, too little sunlight. Tomatoes need energy from the sun. Mistake number 3, forgetting support. A heavy tomato plant can collapse without help. Mistake number 4, poor watering habits. Too much or too little water can damage your plant. Avoid these mistakes, and your chances of success increase dramatically. A few months ago, this was just an empty container. But with the right steps, patience, and care, it became a source of fresh food. That is the incredible thing about gardening. You take something small. A seed. A container. A little bit of soil. And nature turns it into something amazing. Your first tomato might not be perfect. Your first plant might not produce hundreds of fruits. But every gardener starts with one seed. And that one seed can become the beginning of something much bigger. If you're ready to grow your own tomatoes, start today. Even a small container can become your personal food garden. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple experiments where we turn small spaces into productive gardens. And comment below. I'm growing tomatoes. I want to know how many future tomato growers are joining this journey. Happy gardening! Tomato seedling.